Kiongozi wetu Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency the First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto, Cabinet Secretary is present, Chief of Defense Forces, Speaker of the National Assembly, leadership of the two houses, members of Parliament, members of the County Assembly, and invited guests, good evening. Happy New Year. Your Excellency, let me take this opportunity under this privilege to be the first Kenyan to wish you and your family Happy New Year. Your Excellency, as we usher the new year, we reflect with a lot of pride the great steps that you have taken in leadership, in anchoring our country economically and putting this country on the right trajectory towards economic revival. 2023 has undoubtedly been a difficult year, but through pragmatic leadership and prudent planning, we are proud as a nation that as we usher in the new year, we are on a great path of economic revival, and this country in a few months will shine once more. Your Excellency, on behalf of those you have given the privilege to serve under you, we want to thank you for your leadership and your guidance, and much more so for putting Kenya on the world map. Kenya today is respected in the entire world, and Kenya has become the destination of choice for people from all over the world. Again, Your Excellency, before I invite you to address the nation, let us also tell the people of Kenya that even as things look difficult, there are many gains that have been made. It is in no doubt that Kenya is a very peaceful and secure country, and I really want to take this opportunity on your behalf to thank our defense forces, our National Police Service, that crime has been brought to almost zero in this country, and this Christmas is a testimony that Kenyans have enjoyed without any problems because the country has been secured. And as we go into 2024, we look to even better times. So Your Excellency, we want to encourage you. We want to urge you to stay focused. We want you to ignore noises. We want you to continue executing the mandate you are given by the people of Kenya. And you know where Kenya has come from, where Kenya is, and where Kenya is going. And we are confident that in the fullness of time, the people of Kenya will be a very happy lot. With those very many remarks, let me request all of you to be upstanding.